Normally, most users can get their desired applications from the store without any hassle, but you also need to know how to fix cannot download apps from Google Play Store, because the downloading process would fail sometimes. The storage space is insufficient. Check available storage before downloading from Google Play. Go to Settings, Device Storage. If space is low, reduce apps or clear files. 1. Uninstall the unwanted apps from Android. Free up space on your phone by uninstalling unwanted apps. Go to Settings, Apps or Application Manager All. Find the app to remove, tap on it, and click Uninstall. 2. Clear caches of Google Play Store. To maintain smooth phone performance, clear Google Play Store caches regularly. Go to Settings, Apps or Application Manager All. Select Google Play Store and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Connecting to a poor network. 1. Reconnect the network. 2. Switch the network connection. Outdated Android OS version. The Android OS version plays an important role in the phone. Running all the programs on the phone will work smoothly only when the device has a good and stable system. And sometimes, an outdated OS version would cause some phone issues. The applications is incompatible with your device. Although there are a lot of applications on the market, they are not compatible with all the device and system. This is also one of the reasons of the download failure. Some missing unique features. Not all the smartphone devices are coming with the same features and specs. And some Play Store apps require some sensors like gyroscopes, accelerometer sensor, ambient sensor, temperature sensor, and so on. Google Play Store is buggy. 1. Clear the Google Play Store cache and data. 2. Uninstall the Play Store. 3. Reboot the device.